Hello everyone. Every minute, a child dies from malaria. Despite being preventable, malaria still claims hundreds of thousands of lives each year. But what exactly is this deadly disease? Malaria is a serious disease caused by a parasite called Plasmodium and spread by the bite of infected Anopheles mosquitoes. It mainly affects people living in warm tropical areas. This disease causes fever, chills, and body aches. There are four species of Plasmodium: Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae, and Plasmodium ovale. The life cycle of Plasmodium: this parasite requires two hosts: definite host, that is female Anopheles mosquito, and intermediate host, that is man. Sexual stage of multiplication take place in mosquito, and asexual stage of multiplication take place in man. Now we will see the sexual stage of multiplication of Plasmodium in mosquito. When an Anopheles mosquito bites an infected person, the male and female gametocyte, namely microgametocyte and macrogametocyte, enter the body of mosquito along with blood meal. When it reaches to the stomach, the fertilization takes place by the fusion of male and female gametocyte, leading to the formation of zygote. Zygote develop into a vermiform ookinet that penetrate the gut wall and become encysted form called an oocyst. The oocyst grows and undergo multiplication process, forming a large number of slender, sickle-shaped sporozoites. These are released into the homocele of mosquito through the rupture of oocyst. These sporozoites migrate to the salivary gland of mosquito to be later injected into the bloodstream of man. This is the end of sexual phase of multiplication that take place in mosquito. When a female Anopheles mosquito bites a healthy person, it inoculates the sporocytes of Plasmodium from its salivary gland into the blood of man. The sporozoites are microscopic and motile form of the parasite. They travel through the bloodstream and reach the liver. They multiply in the liver cells by asexual reproduction called schizogony, forming a large number of merozoites. These merozoites are released into the bloodstream by the rupture of infected liver cells. Once merozoites are in the blood, they invade RBCs and become trophozoites. The trophozoites are the feeding stage of the malarial parasite. Inside RBCs, the trophozoite actively feed on the cell's contents, especially the hemoglobin. As it feeds and grows, it looks like a small ring under the microscope. So, it is often called signet ring stage. It grows in size, and the parasite would have produced large number of daughter merozoites. Now, the RBCs rupture and releases the merozoites along with a toxic substance called hemozoin, which is responsible for the chill and high fever recurring in every 3 to 4 days in the case of malaria patients. These merozoites attack the healthy RBCs and repeat the cycle of multiplication. After a series of asexual cycle, the sexual reproduction is initiated. Some of the merozoites develop into gametocytes. When an Anopheles mosquito bites this person, gametocytes enter the mosquito's body and repeat the cycle again.